This is our first attempt at showing what a simple force, when it's applied at different parts of the crown, has a different effect. And that would be good also for aligners, because basically it's a pressure point. So let's see what happens. And I want to thank my great friend Juan Gonzalez for these animations, which are, in my opinion, very good. So we have the simple force pushing, and you can see now that in 3 dimensions of space the tooth is moving. It's being pushed out of alignment, so it's rotating. You can see the rotation. You can also see that the angulation is obviously changing. So that's an important concept. Obviously it's just a start. So let's assume now that we are going to be moving the arrow a little bit higher and see if we can again get an effect that will be different. So you can see that we get a significant different effect. And if I can move the force right into the center of the tooth, almost translation, we can do some interesting movements, and we can pretty much add the torque